Now I mark this as A, this distance was B, which is 5.6, and this distance is C, which is 1 unit. I have taken AB as 5.6 and BC as 1. Okay, and now what I'll be doing, I'll be bisecting AC. You know the method for this. For bisecting AC, I need compass. See, compass tip I place at A, and then pencil tip I take it to C. And now taking A as center and AC as radius, I'll be drawing an arc. Just see, above and below. Likewise, now I am taking this compass tip at C, and likewise with the same radius I am drawing another arc to intersect the previous arc, like this. As you learnt in previous class, also in all your previous classes, how to bisect a line. Now again, see, it is not fully bisected, so I am again bisecting this one, and now just see. Okay, and now these two arcs have intersected. So where? At this point and this point, these 2 points I join. Just see, this one and this one. So by doing so, what do I get? Obviously this point, let me name it as O. O is the midpoint of AC. Clear? Now dear children, we have got the midpoint of AC. What is that? O. Okay, and now taking O as center and OA or OC as radius, I am going to draw a semicircle above this AC. So here is the compass. I am placing the compass tip at O, and then I extend the arms of how much length? Of OC. And now what I am going to do, I am going to draw a semicircle which will touch AC and E. Okay, like this. So you can well see here, this is the semicircle. Now what we have to do, at B you draw perpendicular. Okay, either using protractor or using the compass. With the compass you can make an angle of 90 degree, and this way, after making an angle of 90 degree, draw the perpendicular at B. Okay, though I have not shown you how to draw 90 degree, that everybody knows. This angle should be how much? This angle should be of 90 degree. Okay, and now let me name this as A, O, B, C. I have written, so better I name it as D. Okay, this point is D. So whatever is AB, BD will be square root of that. Here I have taken AB as 5.6. So BD will come square root of 5.6. Okay. Now as 5.6 has to be drawn on the number line. What is the number line here? This is the number line. Okay. So what we shall do, by taking the help of compass, BD as radius and B as center, I'll be drawing an arc which will intersect this number line at some point. That point will be the distance of from B will be square root of 5.6. Why? Because inner circle radii are of same length. So whatever is this distance, same will be this distance. That I am going to do with the help of compass. See, Now I am placing the compass tip here, and now BD distance I'll be taking as radius. So let us take that. Okay, see, I have placed compass tip at B. Now I am measuring the distance of BD with the help of this compass. Okay, and just see, BD has come up to this. Just see, again I have to lessen the distance. Just see, this way I will have to adjust the pencil tip. Okay, this is coming here up to D. Now this distance BD is the radius and B is the center, and now see, in this way I'll have to cut this arc. Wherever it cuts, that point is the distance square root of 5.6. Just see, let me name this as E. So BE and BD, they are both are the radii of same circle. So this will be also then square root of 5.6. This is the method of plotting any square root of any kind of decimal, or even root 2, root 3 also you can make by this concept. And in the next video I'll be telling how this, if this is x, how this comes as square root of x. Okay, what is the justification part, that I'll be telling in the next video.